Hi everyone, Noriko desu. In this lesson, you will learn Japanese table manners. When Japanese people start eating, they put hands together and say, Itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu.
This gesture shows a deep appreciation to everyone and everything involved, including our Mother Nature. Repeat after me. Itadakimasu. After finishing meals, people say, Gochisousama deshita, with hands together.
Gochisousama deshita.
This gesture is also to thank people for a meal at the end. Repeat after me. Gochisousama deshita. Onigiri is one of popular takeaway foods sold at convenience stores in Japan. It is a rice ball wrapped in seaweed sheet. Inside the rice, there are various fillings. One of my favorite is tsunamayo, which is flaked tuna mixed with mayonnaise. This is how to unwrap a plastic. This wrapping method was developed to keep seaweed sheet fresh and crispy. Make sure you put plastic sheet in order.
Sumimasen. この椅子に座ってもいいですか？
ええ、いいですよ。どうぞ。
どうもありがとうございます。
どういたしまして。
In this conversation, Sumimasen means excuse me, but it is also used when you apologize. Repeat after me. Sumimasen. Iidesuka is used when you ask permission. この椅子に座ってもいいですか？ Repeat after me. この椅子に座ってもいいですか？ A means yes. In more polite way, はい can be used. Repeat after me. いいですよ。どうぞ means go ahead or here you are. You will hear this in various situations in Japan. Repeat after me. どうぞ。ありがとう means thank you. By adding どうも in front and ございます at the end, it becomes very polite. ありがとう。どうもありがとう。ありがとうございます。どうもありがとうございます。どういたしまして means you're welcome. In Australian way, no worries. Repeat after me. どういたしまして。
これは何ですか？
それはおにぎりです。
それは何ですか？
これはチョコレートです。
あれは何ですか？
あれはラーメンです。
これ is used when a speaker talks about an object close to him. Let's practice together. これは何ですか？ Repeat after me. これは何ですか？それ is used when a speaker talks about an object close to a listener. Let's practice together. それはおにぎりです。Repeat after me. それはおにぎりです。あれ is used when an object is far from both the speaker and a listener. Let's practice together. あれはラーメンです。Repeat after me. あれはラーメンです。When you want to use これ as an adjective, it becomes この。For example, この本、このバナナ。When それ becomes adjective, it becomes その。For example, そのメガネ、その携帯。When あれ becomes adjective, it becomes あの。For example, あの車、あの家。That's all for today's lesson. さようなら。